Welcome, dear children, to the Rajkumar College Rajkot. This is Computer Science Form 3, Suchi Mehta. Children, uh, in this unit test, chapter 1 and 2, last week we have done with chapter 2. I think there was one question, a set of instruction, okay, given to a computer is called dash. Now in that there are two options like it's called a software or a program. Both the answers are correct. Okay, software actually is a set of instruction. It has I can give you an example of calculator, right? You know that in calculator it is instruction given. If you press addition, it will do addition. If you press subtraction key, it will do subtraction only. So it is a set of instruction, it is a program, right? You can write software or you can write program, both the answers are correct. Okay, I had got some doubts were there regarding it, so I would like to clear with you. You can call it software or you can call it a program, it's one at the same. Any queries you can definitely ask to me. Okay, now let us start with chapter 2. We are going to chapter 1. In this we are going to do the exercise which is given at the back, the question answers we are going to revise. Let us start. Okay, in this chapter what we have learnt, okay, what we have to remember: what is a computer, what is a function, and parts of a computer. What is a computer? We know, right? It is a machine that can do variety of work, right? What is the function of a computer? Input, process, output, right? IPO cycle, it works on which cycle? IPO cycle. And even if you want to do storage, then you can include it in IPO and storage. So input, process, output is the cycle of a computer. It is the main function of a computer. What function does computer perform? First you give input, the input will be processed, and that processed data will be displayed to you, that is the result. So that is the output. Parts of computer: keyboard, mouse, monitor, right, and CPU. Keyboard, 104 keys on a keyboard. Mouse, 2 or 3 button on its top. Keyboard, mouse, monitor, 3 types of monitors: CRT, LCD and LED. And parts of CPU: MU, CU and ALU. Monitor is also known as VDU, right? VDU is visual display unit. So let us see the question answers for this chapter. Okay, before that we will learn the full form. Okay, IPO: I input, P processing, O output. Second input is CPU, Central Processing Unit. Third is CU, control unit. Control unit is one of the part of CPU, right? There are 3 parts in the CPU, MU, CU and ALU. So control CU is one of the part of the CPU. VDU, visual display unit. Television is VDU, monitor is VDU, right? Because it displays you something. Now let us see the question answer. What is the first question? What is a computer? Okay, let us see. Computer is a machine that works with data and instruction given by the user. It works on IPO cycle. 3 points in this answer. Computer is a machine. How does it work? It works on input, that is data and instruction. Input is nothing but data and instruction. Who gives this data and instruction? User. When you sit on the computer, you are using calculator, then you are the user for that computer. Okay, so the data and instruction given by the user in the computer. Okay, and it works on which cycle? IPO cycle. Input, process, output. Second question: how do you enter data and instruction into a computer? Okay, what do you need to enter data instruction? Now, to enter data instruction, we use keyboard. Keyboard, we have small keys on the keyboard, right? Small buttons are there on the keyboard. They all are called keys. How many keys are there? 104. And they are used to enter the data instruction in the computer. I would really like to specify you when it is asked that which devices are used to enter the information or data. We can give input devices, right? Next one, question 3. What do you call information which you enter into the computer? The information which we enter into the computer is known as input. Here the answer is of only one word. Okay, you just see the formation of the question. What do you call the information which you enter in the computer? Half of the answer is in the question itself. The information which we enter in the computer is called input. Question 4. Which part of a computer shows the output? Right. Let us see. Monitor is a part of computer that display the output. Okay. It display. Here if it is given gives output, then you can write any monitor, printer or speaker. But the monitor is a part of a computer that displays something. Okay. It shows the output. Name the device which is known as the brain of a computer. CPU. Actually the answer is only CPU. Central processing unit is known as the brain of a computer. Half of the answer is again in the question itself. Okay. Read the chapter 1 and 2. Very easy. Just read thoroughly. Any doubts you can ask me anytime. Even just a little revision that where can you see the different where are the different places where you see the computers, right? I can see in the malls, I can see in the hospitals, I can see in the offices, and this variety, almost all the places nowadays I can see the computer, right? Computer works on what? It works on a cycle, that is input, process and output. Now we will connect the two chapters. To do input, you need some input devices. To do process, you need a processing device. And to do output, you need output devices. Okay. So first we have learned in chapter 1 IPO, and in second chapter we have learned IPO devices. Right? Input, process, output. Input is data and instruction. When you give data and instruction in the computer, it will process and it will give the output. There are so many different input devices, 6 input devices: keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, light pen, right? We have learned in chapter 2. Output devices: speaker, monitor, printer, even I can include projector in it. And processing only one: CPU, MU, CU and ALU. MU memory unit, CU control unit and ALU arithmetic unit. In CPU everything is managed by the control unit. Whatever process you give to the computer, it is managed by it, right? So children, this was the chapter 1 question answer. Okay. uh, all the videos and everything is uploaded in the our application also, so you can go through it during your unit test. If you find any problem, you can share, you can contact anytime. Thank you for today. Thank you and have a nice